Meaning of fancy dress.
Fancy dress.
Fancy dress.
Fancy dress.
Fancy dress. Fancy dress typically refers to a type of costume or outfit worn for special occasions such as costume parties, Halloween, or other festive events. It often involves wearing clothing that is different from what one would normally wear, and may be designed to resemble a particular character or theme. Fancy dress costumes can range from simple and straightforward to highly elaborate and ornate, and are often the centerpiece of the event. Overall, fancy dress is a fun and creative way to express oneself and participate in social events.